Hi there, friends. Are you showing a code F350 and the code's driving you mad and you feel like your oven's just one big botched episiotomy and you just want to kick it to the curb? Well, hang on there, cowboy. I just might have the fix. I tried the butter knife trick. Yep, with little success. The code just kept flipping back on. Sadly, my Hot Pockets wouldn't cook enough. The struggle's real. Well, here's a tip for you. I use CRC electronic cleaner. It seems to be working. It got rid of most of the grime and allowed the fan to rotate more freely. Spray mostly on the ends of the fan. It's safe for electronics as long as your oven is off and you allow enough time for this stuff to dry. Now this stuff is highly flammable. Repeat the line, highly flammable. End of quote. So don't use when your oven is on or hot. I may be able to fix your oven, but I can't fix stupid. My advice to you is to flip off your breaker to the oven. Apply on a cold oven at night and try the oven on the next day. Thanks for watching. Now go heat you up some Hot Pockets.